In this video, I'll walk you through the Lightyear investing app, a clean and easy to use platform where you can invest in stocks and ETFs. Let's explore what it offers, from creating a watch list to managing your deposits and earnings. We also have separate videos on the channel explaining how to invest in the S&P 500 on Lightyear, how to open an account, how to create an account, and how to deposit. Feel free to check them out. When you open the app, you land on the main page with the search bar below. Explore highlighted at the top. You can use it to explore any stock or ETF. On the watch list, I have no stocks, so I'm adding Nvidia and Apple to my watch list as an example. Just a couple of taps, and they're added. Now that I've added some stocks, a new section appears, Lightning Updates. This gives you quick news about the stocks on your watch list, so you stay informed at a glance. When you scroll down, you can also check what's trending this week. First, let's take a look at the most popular ETFs and then stocks. Next, we have the Discover section. Here you can explore different types of funds based on themes like global exposure, countries, dividend strategies, sectors, and more. You can also browse stocks by region. There's Europe, the Baltics, Asia. Here I'm showing you a few stocks from Asia. Also, Canada, the United States, China, and more. Further down, there's the All Collections section. This organizes stocks and ETFs by criteria like dividend yield, market cap, and new listings. I'll tap into the Global Collection to give you a quick peek. You'll see companies like Taiwan Semiconductor, ASML, and Alibaba. As you keep scrolling, you'll find an investment calendar for your holdings and watch list, the option to set price alerts, and even a section to connect with other investors who also use Lightyear. At the end, there's a personalized news section with your top stories. Now, let's tap the center icon at the bottom. Here, you can see your current balance, deposit or withdraw funds, convert currencies, and check how your cash is being rewarded. For example, my euros are currently earning 0.75% AER. Finally, tapping the bottom right icon brings up your transaction history, including all deposits and the interest you've earned on your cash. Now, let's see how to actually buy an ETF using the Lightyear app. The process is the same if you're buying a stock. First, head over to the Explore tab and type in the name or ticker of the ETF you want. In our case, we're looking for SPPW. That's SPDR MSCI World ETF, which tracks the MSCI World Index. Once you tap on the ETF, the first thing you see is a performance chart showing how the investment has done over time. Scrolling down, you'll find a full breakdown of the ETF, including the fund highlights, where you get a short description of what this ETF invests in. You'll also see the annual fund charges, in this case, just 0.12% per year. This is relatively low based on current market averages. In the metrics section, we can see that there's over 10 billion euros invested in this fund, which shows it's quite popular and well established. If we keep scrolling, you'll see the top holdings in the fund. Apple is the largest, followed closely by Microsoft. It's a solid mix of large cap global companies. You also get a regional breakdown which shows that this ETF is heavily weighted toward the United States, with strong exposure to Europe as well. At the very bottom, you'll find even more details like the exchange it trades on, in this case, Euronext Amsterdam, and the fund manager, which is SPDR, one of the biggest asset managers in the world. Let's go ahead and buy a share. Tap buy and a new window appears. Enter the number of shares. We'll go with 1 and choose your order type. Here we're going with a market order for instant execution. Then tap preview order to check all the details. As you can see, Lightyear does not charge execution fees on ETFs. Other fees may apply, such as FX conversion or management fees by the fund provider. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and just like that, you've bought one share of the SPDR MSCI World ETF. And that's a full walkthrough of the Lightyear app. Do you want to see a deeper analysis of Lightyear? Check our review video. Want to see how to invest in the S&P 500 on Lightyear, including which S&P 500 ETF to choose and how to place the trade? Check this video here. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see a full review. Thanks for watching.